Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a no sound problem in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and you just need to write control panel. Press on that, and then here you need to look for the sound. If you don't see sound here, maybe make it large icons or small, but it should be sound. So press on that, and then you should be on the playback and scroll down until you see the device that you're using. If for some reason your headphones or headset is not default without a green check mark here, make sure to set as default the one that you're using, right? And then the next step, what you need to do here is you just need to right click on it, disable for a few seconds, and then enable again, and look if the problem persists or not, and then double click on the audio device that you want to use. Go to levels, make sure this icon here is not muted, and also maybe there is not 4 tabs but 5 with the one that there is no here enhancements. Let me show you. Maybe there is for me here. Let's see, let's go with another one. I believe, yeah, if there is enhancements, what you need to do here is to disable all enhancements and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, if this method did not work for you, you need to go to device manager. Then you need to look for audio or sound. So as you can see here, audio inputs and outputs. Look for your headphones or headset, and what you need to do here is to double click on it, go to drivers and uninstall device, and then restart the computer, and your headset or headphone driver should be installed again, and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings, then sound, system, sound. Make sure the output device is the one that you're using. Also, it's not muted here. Then go to volume mixer, and also, for example, if one of the programs is not working, make sure that basically this icon is not on mute, right? And the last thing that you can do here is to be on system, sound, then go to troubleshoot common sound problems and select output devices, and then your computer should tell what problem do you have, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.